Enggak, takut. Takut.
Baby, you could keep me going, 'cause you've been everywhere. Let me take up all the love you're showing. I need it more than air. And you know that I've been suffocating. You could be the one to help, but my issues are nauseating. I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free from the freak.
Oh no! Tiger! There's tiger. Dadah. Lama banget filmnya.
Settling in, settling down.
Ini puding apa?
Gula merah santan.
Puding gula merah santan, terus risol ala-ala, cabai rawit, sop buah-buahan.
Cium dong, cium dong, cium dong, cium dong. Hede.
Lagi.
Berdua nggak mau tahu. Apa? Cim. Seru juga sih yang kita. Apalagi emang udah gula sampai di setting. Nggak mudah dengan orang.
So we're going on.
Tapi emang tak dulu dong. Tak
Alhamdulillah. Mang, kita cari pakai belum apaan.
tisu.
Apa? Itu ada to make spices.
Make spices.
Spices.
Nice.
One wrap and One double beef, double cheese burger. Putih kotak saya.
Itu dia pakai.
Mau ngambil burgernya? Yang baru. Dari siapa pun dari ayam dari siapa nih Pak? How is it? Udah cuci tangan belum lagi? It's so beautiful.
Woke up at 11. Light turns to dust. I'm down to nothing. I am.
Bismillah. Kita mau sholat ya Gi.
Over my shoulder, I feel it get colder. I'm told that I should offer my soul. Then all at once I feel my eyes roll back in time to see my life, and I can't change the things I've done. So all I have is anesthesia.
So here's the outfit, and I'm done with the makeup.
Out of mind, out of sight, out of mind. Drop your windows down, we could take our time. Out of sight, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind.
And by the way, selamat Lebaran. So we just had sholat Id, walaupun nggak rame-rame temen, kita tetap sholat bareng-bareng tadi sama sejajaran tetangga aja. And I know this is something that we're not used to, so I hope things get better next year. Walau cuma di rumah aja, I try so hard to put some makeup and dressed up just to make feel like we're celebrating the Eid. No, walaupun cuma di rumah.